I ain't going that way. Fuck off.
Are you counting the fishes?
Although it's a bit murky, I don't reckon they'd live long in there.
Wait, what?
That used to be a chav.
Huh? Fuck off. See you later, Josh. 12:40 in the morning. Lovely little ride out with the Not Right. Matt, thanks for staying until the end. Mantas, thank you for showing up, I think. Hour and 49. Fucking hell. Take it easy. Look after yourselves. I want my maps to go sideways. There we go. You know, give me a voice as well, because I don't really know where I am. We're down in Greenwich O2 Arena. Might even show you on the way. Nice little ride home. Nothing crazy. Done all our craziness already. That's Matt and his new Versys. Fucking love it. Last ride he had a Super Duke, but something happened with it and he decided not to keep it anymore. He has moved on to bigger, well not bigger, but better things. I'm excited for him to be part of the Kawasaki gang, which I will be joining soon when I pick up my Z650. So it'll be a lovely time for all of us. Big up for the people like Grant and Sarah who come out all the way up from Milton Keynes for this ride, basically, just to join the group and see a couple of people. Josh and Vicky came down from Chelmsford kind of area, so appreciate the commitment and thank you for joining. We're gonna be here for fucking ages, man. Yeah, I can do that too, but oh, it was not a good idea. Fuck. And you know what? People have said my suspension is nice and comfortable, but oh my god, that was the worst fucking thing possible. See you, Matt. I think the plan is to go back in towards Central, maybe see nightlife a little bit, and head down to the southwest. If it gets too windy, I've got another layer of jacket in my backpack. It's so weird. It's like, what is it? Almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Still see so many bikers around. Don't mind that car because he's in a rush somewhere, so he's gonna hurry up. Oh, love. So now I just got my music, got my camera, I've done 55 miles on this tank, so I've got about, 150-ish left if I want to count safely. Which you couldn't have chosen a better time for that, could you? Don't stare at me, just fucking hurry up. What are you looking at? Of course you are. I want to get home. It's late now, I've got editing to do. I swear, Grant and Sarah are going to get home in Milton Keynes before I do. Next light that turns red on me, I'm fucking running it. For legal reasons, that's a joke. Greenwich High Road. Kind of know this area. I've been here before. You know what, this is going to be very interesting to see how I can color grade nighttime footage on GoPro as well, because daytime I think I've got that's pretty much nailed it. Got a nice preset that keeps it quite consistent as well, but the nighttime is going to be questionable because my first time doing it, so yeah, please don't get too harsh on me for it. Definitely try my best. If I can't get anything nice, I'll just leave it stock. Okay, my battery is going upwards, so me using the maps and charging at the same time from the Triumph is working. Sometimes I've had chargers where it just still goes down but slower. But at least on this one it still goes upwards, which is nice. Deptford Bridge. Don't even know if I want to be here. Brava. Still so many people are out around. Well, I guess Friday night people have been partying, ain't I? Don't know if I'd come here for a party though.
Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey!
Fucking hell, man. Fucking dickheads everywhere. Get off your fucking phone. Your part of me wishes I went on the M25 now at this point. Peckham, Brixton, it tells me to go straight, central. Things with this Triumph, you really have to pick your gear. Gonna get chilly when I get onto the A3. Getting chilly now. I like this setup. I like the fact that there's no one behind me. Maybe I'm gonna have to put my jacket on at some point. It is getting a little chilly. I'm doing 20. Nice. Great. Oh, it's the guy who's on his phone. Well, that's my lane, but okay. What else did I expect? .6 miles straight. It's A205, A202. Breathe, breathe. Yeah, it's cold. Got this. Get out of here. Progress is progress. Steady progress is progress. Straight here as well. Do I see the camera? Told there's a speed camera here. I think I know which way it's taking me. This is Camberwell, I think the bus station. Yeah, it is. So we're in Camberwell now. Oh, hello. Maybe this area ain't too bad. Okay, Clapham Road and then the A3. I'm cutting off a bit of mileage. Sorry guys, I'm so tired. It's been a long day. I don't even know if this will make it into the video at all, or if it will be a video. Well, if you're unaware of what happened today, we had a lovely ride out with the group. Went from Blackshed with the Not Rights. A lot of lovely people came. Of course, Grant and Sarah, who'd had their wedding recently. Lovely to see them, of course. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your special day. Beautiful and special day, to be honest. Josh, Laura, Nathan, of course. This cyclist, thank you for being part of my video. Matt, he came with his new bike. Big up, because he's got such a trek to do above Ipswich somewhere. Fucking far away. I've been here once before. This is now the A3. I'll follow this for a while. Stockwell. Any cameras up ahead? There is one. Nice and steady ride. We're in no huge rush. Taking it easy. For fuck's sake, what are you lot doing? Make an advantage of the fact that I can go for the time being. You can't seriously expect people to do this speed all the fucking time. I just hope that my next bike is going to be comfy, because if I'm doing an hour ride like this one, I would not be having to do a break. I hope that's a shisha lounge. This must be Brixton. Fucking hell, ticking all the boxes today. Peckham, Brixton, what was the other one? Greenwich. Only thing I'm missing is Croydon at this point. Well, that was stupid. I'm sending it with you, boy. And then now it's home turf. Go down, around the one-way system, fucking gun it. Right, homebound. There's a couple of streets left, that's like 20 miles an hour. Oh, that scared me. What was this? Clapham Common. Get through Wandsworth. Getting into Wandsworth to make sure the fucking light catches you. Out of all of them, this is one I hate the most. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Right, bud.
What up, bro? Luckily I know the road off by heart at this point. Nice straight road, maybe a couple of cameras whilst it's 20, and then it's a big green, so nice and easy, simple. Once I've gone past the camera, I'll overtake this lead as well. Well, those two guys are still going down this road, but they're far up ahead. And honestly, I'd much rather them in front than behind. Pick my moment, because there's that flashing thing is parked on the side. Well done for your indicator, perfect timing, mate. Thank you. It's so hot recently, I don't mind a little bit of chilly wind, knowing that I know where I am, nice and simple, straight road home now. I don't mind being a little cold if I do 50 on the A3. Might even be able to pull my visor down. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being a part of it and joining me on this ride. I'm not very comfortable when it comes to like vlogging and talking to the camera once we're on a group call or we're in the group when people can hear me really, so please do keep that in mind. I'm a lot newer than the rhythmic biker, so he's got all the experience. I'm here to share my memories and experiences. Yes, I have some weird friends and crazy friends, as you've probably seen, but some of them are actually respectful. Yeah, thank you for the rhythmic biker for letting me sit on his bike. I'm gonna tell you right now, I sat on that ZLR. It's big, don't get me wrong. Apparently it's 260 kilos, that you can't feel it at all. It's so low. Still not a sports bike fan, so you'll probably never see, actually, I'm telling you this right now, you will never see me riding a sports bike. You'll never see me owning a sports bike, sorry. You might see me ride one for fun, test maybe, so I can see what I'm missing, but you won't see me owning a sports bike, that's for sure. I like my nakeds too much. But if anyone's going to convince me to ride a sports bike, it's going to be the rhythmic biker and his ZZR 1400. That's a given. That is the only one I'm willing to try. Maybe I'm going to pull in and put my jacket on because it's a bit chilly. I'm going to hide in a corner at the back. Because it's getting a bit cold, and I do mind the cold. I lied. Like I said in the last video, or the previous video when I went to a ride with Kevin, the cold bothers me. I shiver way too easily. Do you know what? I might even try that other camera as well. Since I haven't mounted, it's all ready to go. The wind might push it a bit, but oh well, not the end of the world. Probably be a bit shaky, but you might even see more than my normal camera. 15%. It will survive what it survives. Oh shit, I need to put my jacket on before I put my bag on. I am stupid. It's becoming another test day. See how the cameras work at night time and check that one. Let's roll home. Because actually the rhythmic biker will probably get home before I do. Oh, it's much better, much warmer. There we go, that's so much better, oh my god. Hey! Where's my music gone? I want my music back! Oh, thanks. It's a 40. I'm covering my own fucking dashboard. Oh, I'm so happy I bought this jacket. I could actually ride faster as well. Like, let this Prius go, and I'm going to. I see a bike. I can't decide if that's a moped or not. I'm not convinced it is. Fucking hell, you stupid. Catch up with that biker. Can I see a top box? I can't even see shit. There's something in my eye. See you later, bro. Note to self, double check your camera mounting doesn't cover your dashboard. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for everyone being taking a part of it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and you like the content, and if you don't. I've got a couple more rides coming in before I get the Z, so you'll see this bike again before it goes. Yeah, it turns out this bike unsafely can wheelie from. So yeah, peace out.